Getting an A in class isn't always easy, but you can do it with a bit of hard work and planning. Study the syllabus carefully when the class starts so that you know exactly what to expect. And set aside time in your schedule for regular study. When you're in class, sit near the front if you can, and always take notes so that you can go back over the material later. You might also find it helpful to record any lectures in case you miss something in your notes. If you have assigned readings, go over them more than once and make notes to help you retain important information. It's also a good idea to start any projects or homework assignments right away so you don't end up scrambling to get them done at the last minute. If you're struggling to understand the material, don't hesitate to ask your instructor for help. You can also look into working with a tutor or even a study partner who has a good grasp of the basics. If you're worried about acing an upcoming test, take time to review your notes and assignments on the relevant material. Ask your instructor if they can provide a study guide or a sample test so you have an idea of what to expect. And remember, while studying hard is key to getting a good grade, it's also important to take breaks. Take a breather for every 45 minutes of studying and give yourself plenty of time to sleep, eat nutritious meals, and do things that help you unwind.